We'll guide you through how to disable a laptop keyboard because you've got an external one plugged in. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you can go and see here, I've got my external keyboard. This is wireless, you can see the dongle plugged in there, but it could be a wired keyboard as well, doesn't matter. Come down to the bottom and you want to go and press search. Here you need to go and type in device manager. It should go and get suggested to you quite quickly. Click on it and it's going to go and open up. Now what you need to do is you want to go down and you want to go and find the option for keyboards. So you want to come over to the left and press the arrow to go and expand it. Well, the HID keyboard device is your external keyboard, and then the other one is the built-in one. You can always go and temporarily unplug your external keyboard or reload, and you can go and see the HID one just disappeared. And then what you can do is go and right click on the laptop keyboard and press uninstall device. Confirm the decision, and it's going to say about restarting it, but you can just go and press no. The laptop keyboard will now not be working. If you do want to get it working again, all you need to do is go and restart your laptop and it will.